Hello students, today we are going to learn our science lesson number 5, substances in the surrounding, their states and properties. In previous lecture we learned about that properties of substances, that the different properties. Which one? That brittleness, like a mirror or chalk. Second one, hardness, that is like a stone or iron. Next one, that elasticity, like a rubber band. Then fluidity, like a water. Then density. The property of density is because of mass of the substance, and a substance with greater mass has a greater density. Next property is solubility. The property of substance to get dissolved is called solubility. Next one, transparency. When we can see through any substance, it is said to be transparent. For example, glass. Now, see the picture 5.14 on page number 38. Identify the objects shown in the adjacent picture. From which substances are they made? What are these substances called as a group? These articles, means substances, are made up of metals like silver and iron. The group of these substances is known as metals. Minerals are further processed to obtain metal. The metal are found in the form of minerals deep down in the earth crust. Metals are used for different purposes. For example, that copper, gold, iron, aluminium. Now, let us see about properties of metals. First property is malleability. The property of metal to be converted into sheets. Sheets means what? Patra. Is called malleability. Second property is which one? Ductility. The property of metals by which they can be stretched and drawn into wires is called ductility. Third property is electrical conductivity. The property to carry electricity is called electrical conductivity. Electricity flows through the metal, and all metals are good conductors of electricity, showing that electricity flows through metals. Next property is thermal conductivity. The property to carry heat is called thermal conductivity. All metals are good conductors of heat, showing that heat flows through the metal. Next property is sonority. The ability to produce ringing sound is called sonority. Means what? That metal produce a ringing sound. For example, our school bell. Then next characteristic is color and luster. Means all metals have characteristic color. For example, gold have golden color and silver have silver color, and luster which is specific for each other. Always remember, during rainy season or at any other time, do not touch the exposed electric wires or metal parts. Keep all electric lamps or other appliances switch off when not in use. For example, even when the TV is switched off by remote control, do not forget to put off the main switch. It helps to save electricity, besides protecting us from any possible danger. Ask your seniors at home to check the electric wiring and fittings in the house periodically. Now, in this lesson. What we have learned, see, solid, liquid and gases are the three states of substances or matters. Then the temperature of substances can be measured with the help of thermometer. Heat is the cause of the change of states of substances. Substances have various properties like hardness, elasticity, brittleness, fluidity, density, solubility and transparency. Metals form a separate group of substances. Metals have some common properties like malleability, ductility, thermal conductivity, then electrical conductivity, sonority, luster. Luster means chakaki and characteristic color. Now our lesson is completed. Thank you.